Good day, my brothers and sisters. Zobida here, and today's reflections are entitled Blessings. When I count my blessings, Lord, I hardly know where to begin. They are too numerous to count. Lord, I thank you for the countless blessings bestowed on me each day. If I were to count them, they would outnumber the stars. Be careful, beloved brethren, never to forget what God has done for you. Keep them in your hearts all the days of your lives. Tell them to your children and to your grandchildren. Sometimes we receive blessings we don't deserve. So absolutely marvelous is the grace of God. Beloved, God's blessings comes to us in many forms. Many a time we overlook them because they might be simple, and many a times the blessings come in ways we do not expect. Philippians chapter 4 verses 19 says, "Our God will supply all our needs according to His riches and glory." Yes, beloved, in His own unique way, God our Father does supply and provide for all our needs. I would like to share a little personal story with you, something that happened a long time ago. Many years ago, I needed some cash to take care of a particular need, $500 to be exact. It may seem small, but at that time it was much to me. I tried to get it borrowed, but to no avail. And so I prayed. I was talking to God about the matter when suddenly something unexpectedly happened. Deep within my heart, I heard a voice whisper, "Go and look in your drawer." At first I brushed it aside thinking, it must be my mind, and also because I have been in that drawer every day. Yet again I experienced a whispering voice saying, "Go and look in your drawer." I was hesitant, but I answered, "If it is you speaking, Lord, then in faith I will go." So still a bit reluctant, I got up and headed for my bedroom. I pulled open the dresser drawer, and to my astonishment, right on top of everything lay a white envelope with my name, Zobida Joseph, boldly written on it. I anxiously snatched it up and opened it. I was totally amazed to find exactly what I had prayed for, $500. Don't know how it got here. I was completely baffled and speechless. God works in mysterious ways, His wonders to perform. Yes, beloved, many are the wondrous things I have seen God do over the years. Countless are the stories I can tell you. He has never ever let me down. I love you, Lord, for 100,000 reasons, but most of all I love you simply because you are you. Give Him your life, beloved. He is faithful and true to every promise He has made. And so, may the Lord show you His favor today and grant you His peace. May His bountiful blessings fall upon you in torrents throughout this entire day. Be blessed, beloved.